My name's Alex Seymour and I live in London, and this is the third time I've come to the Amazon, and it's my fifth retreat, and I didn't really know what to expect by coming here. All I had was the amazing 230 plus consistent 5-star reviews on Amazon, but I didn't really manage to speak to anybody apart from Melissa before I came. And to be quite honest with you, I was a bit concerned coming here with some American vets that have got PTSD, because I didn't know how stable and how well adjusted and how healthy they would be, and so I did have some concerns. And it was only when I spoke to Melissa on Google Hangouts that I found out, and she realised that she made me realise that everything is going to be fine, and you just have to have faith and trust and follow your heart. And she answered all my questions brilliantly, and I got on the plane with complete confidence and came out here, and that was the last time I had any reservations. And since then it's just been one long, powerful, beautiful journey. It's surpassed all my expectations. It's better than any retreat that I've ever been on before, and the whole team and set up here is just so professional, so loving and so caring. It's just absolutely blown me away. It's an impeccable retreat, and it comes with my highest recommendation. Having met Jose, this guy's the real deal, and his team are second to none in their commitment and their dedication and their love and their ability to care. Every single thing you want is catered for. The medicine is really powerful, and I had a beautiful, heavenly, delightful time when I drank the ayahuasca, and I just want to come back. I'm really sorry to have to leave. I have to leave to take my family on a holiday to Bali, which was booked beforehand, so my wife is going to be pissed if I don't show up. So such is life. But I can't wait to connect with the veterans. I feel we love each other, we've got a bond. We've been through war, and now we've been through an ayahuasca retreat. And not only that, we've made this important movie. And this documentary is important. It's going to be powerful because we need to get the message of how ayahuasca and the plant medicines from the Amazon can help heal people that have suffered, not just those with PTSD, but all kinds of trauma. People that have suffered with things like PTSD or persistent depression or addictions, all of these kinds of things. So, I believe really deeply in my heart that, this is the beginning of something big, new, and powerful, and I'm here to dedicate my life to spreading the message. So I just want to thank you for making this an amazing, heartfelt, truly special journey for me. Thank you very much.